Sporting a saber ground VG10 blade, distinctive gray FRN scales with bidirectional texturing, a reversible wire clip, and an Emerson opener, this high-speed iteration makes deploying the Dragonfly 2 a snap. The Dragonfly 2 Emerson. Serious clickbait. Spyderco Police model is one of the most iconic folding knives ever created. Now, this venerable design takes another quantum leap forward by combining the refined features of the 4th generation Police 4 with the advantages of lightweight, injection molded handle construction. Its full flat ground VG10 stainless steel blade is housed within a molded, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle featuring non-slip, bidirectional texturing. Skeletonized stainless steel liners nested within the handle provide impressive structural strength and anchor the knife's sturdy backlock mechanism and its versatile 4-position pocket clip.
The full flat ground Endura 4 lightweight enhances the proven qualities of this time-tested model with exceptional edge geometry and a wide choice of handle colors. Its VG10 stainless steel blade has a full flat grind that reduces friction and ensures an exceptionally acute point. Available only with a plain edge cutting edge, the blade is supported by a sturdy backlock mechanism housed in a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle. The handle is reinforced with nested skeletonized stainless steel liners and comes in a choice of black, blue, brown, green, orange, purple, or gray. The injection molded handle features bidirectional texturing for a non-slip grip and a 4-position pocket clip that allows tip-up or tip-down carry on both sides of the body. This knife's symmetrical design and fully accessible trademark round hole make one-handed operation completely.
The Tenacious is the flagship of Spyderco's incredibly popular value folder series of knives. It proudly offers all the features and benefits that define a Spyderco Clip-It in an extremely affordable format. The heart of the design is its full flat ground blade, which is crafted from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel and includes a fully accessible trademark round hole for swift, ambidextrous one-handed opening. The blade is paired with an ergonomic handle constructed with full skeletonized stainless steel liners and peel-ply textured G10 scales. The skeletonized liners provide the foundation for its sturdy liner lock mechanism and also anchor its versatile 4-position pocket clip. In its standard configuration, the Tenacious sports a satin-finished blade and polished handle hardware. For tactical applications, it is also available with a black oxide blade coating and matching black-coated hardware. Both the satin and black blades are available in plain edge or combination edge, and the satin blade comes in a fully serrated. The award-winning Para 3 Lightweight is rapidly redefining the state-of-the-art in ultralight cutting tools. For tactical end users who prefer subdued blade finishes, this revolutionary design is now also available with a stealthy black diamond-like carbon coating. Its plain edge or spider edge blade is full flat ground from CTS BD1N stainless steel and supported by a streamlined version of Spyderco's patented compression lock mechanism. To complement the blade's finish, the screws and reversible deep pocket carry clip on its injection molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle also sport a non-reflective black coating.